My presentation is on LeakyCon. What is LeakyCon? LeakyCon began in 2006 and it is a convention ran by Mistress Management. Since then, they have hosted LeakyCon in Portland, Oregon, Boston, Massachusetts, Chicago, Illinois, London, England, Los Angeles, California, Dublin, Ireland, Dallas, Texas, Orlando, Florida, and Denver, Colorado. LeakyCon is usually around Harry Potter's birthday, which is July 31st. During the convention, there are panels, programs, and performances for fans to enjoy. Fans can also take part in discussions that are hosted there to dive in on their favorite theories about the books and movies. LeakyCon also has stars and creators of the Harry Potter films to talk about their experiences bringing the magic to life on screen. LeakyCon also has a plethora of vendors who sell a variety of Harry Potter-related products. At LeakyCon, people are allowed and encouraged to cosplay as long as they follow the safety guidelines that are outlined in the LeakyCon website. Here are about 7 photos of people dressing up and cosplaying at LeakyCon. You could see Moaning Myrtle, Hagrid, Dobby, and some people just wearing t-shirts as their cosplay, and somebody who's cosplaying as being in Slytherin. Fans can apply to be a vendor at the convention to sell merchandise that they create. Some of the vendors who have been part of LeakyCon includes Sugar Cube Studios, Lunatic Life, and Mud in My Blood. Sugar Cube Studios sells enameled pins, apparel, and accessories. Lunatic Life sells jewelry, decor, and ornaments. Mud in My Blood sells candles, collectibles, jewelry, and crafts. LeakyCon hosts performances from bands and plays that fans have adapted from the books and movies. On the left is a picture of Harry and the Potters, which is a band that has performed at LeakyCon. On the right is a video of a performance of the Potter Puppet Pals. I cannot play this video on this screen recording, but if you would like, I could play the video at the end of this presentation. People in fan clubs, such as the Cursed Child Fan Club and members of the different houses, have meetups scheduled throughout the weekend. Here are some of the stars that have attended LeakyCon. The top 3 stars on the slide are going to be attending LeakyCon 2022. It is important to note how LeakyCon has responded to J.K. Rowling's transphobia. LeakyCon has made a statement that makes it clear that they support all trans and non-binary communities. They also make it clear that they are not endorsed or sanctioned by J.K. Rowling or the Warner Brothers. In addition, in past years, the convention's support of the LGBTQ community is outstanding. LeakyCon also takes time to have panels to discuss some of the serious topics that need to be addressed in the Harry Potter series. Specifically, the issue of the love potion and the date rape culture that is behind the concept. I will not go into further detail about the love potion, but it is important to note that there is a panel on it. I also found this photo on the left on the LeakyCon Instagram while I was doing my search. Even prior to the recent issues with J.K. Rowling, LeakyCon also has meetups, panels, and discussions dedicated to the LGBTQ+ community. LeakyCon has been and continues to support the LGBTQ+ community. So, when and where is LeakyCon 2022? LeakyCon will take place in Orlando, July 29th to the 31st, and Denver, the 14th and 16th of October. Denver's LeakyCon got postponed due to COVID. This is the first LeakyCon since the pandemic has began, and LeakyCon is excited to host the convention again and help fans have a magical weekend.